everybody! I'm here today with a simple driving lesson for checking traffic around your car. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of looking for traffic around your car. I'm going to tell you how to do it, and I'm going to tell you where you should be looking, and also what you should be looking for. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, ideally, as you are walking to your car, you can check for traffic. So basically, in an ideal situation, as you're walking to your car, you're looking around your car for traffic. And that's, for stationary traffic, so for cars or pedestrians that are sort of parked there, even for things that aren't going to move, because that's part of traffic. A light post is part of traffic. It is an obstruction when you're driving. So you're going to look for that kind of stuff when you're walking towards your car. That's the first step. But if you're already driving, then you have to move on to the second step. Hopefully you could do both. You can look as you walk towards your car, and then also when you're in your car and driving. But if you're already driving, then you could just move right on to the second step, because there's no point in checking as you're walking to your car if you're already driving. It doesn't make any sense. So basically, you essentially have a few different things that you can look at to check the traffic around your car. You have 3 mirrors, okay? So you're going to have your rear view mirror over here. You're going to have your right side mirror over there, and your left side mirror over here. You're also going to have your windshield and windshields, so both of them. You have your front windshield over here, and you have your rear windshield behind you, and you're also going to have your windows, and your car is likely going to have multiple windows. So I have, for instance, a front window, a back window, and then a trunk window on the right side, and then the same thing on the left side. I also have this sunroof up here, which is also a window, in case there's any, bird traffic above your car or something like that. But you're going to use those things. So I'm going to tell you where to look. So as you're driving, you should be constantly looking out your front windshield, okay? That is going to show you what's happening in front of your car. So you're obviously going to be looking forward when you're driving forward, but then you should periodically be checking your rear view mirror, also your right side mirror, and your left side mirror. Now your rear view mirror is actually going to show you behind your car out your rear windshield. So that's 2 in 1. That is sort of taking 2 things off of the list. You're checking your rear view mirror, but you're also looking out of the rear windshield when you check that. So you're checking 2 things off the list. And when you check either of your side mirrors, they're going to show you down the sides of your car. So for instance, this left side mirror is going to show me behind my car down the side of my car on the left side, and the right mirror is going to do the same on the right side. And what you're looking for is any pedestrians, any cyclists, any cars, any trucks, any buses, any obstructions, anything at all that you need to know about, because traffic is everything, right? Now you also have your windows. Now when you're driving, you're not going to be going like this, right? That's what your mirrors are for. But if you are going to be changing lanes or turning, if you're changing direction or position of your car, then that's when you look out the windows, which would be checking your blind spot. So to check my passenger side blind spot, my right blind spot, I just look out the right window like that. Do the same thing with the left to check the left one. Very simple and straightforward. And that's how you check the traffic around your car. Now, you should be doing this on a frequent basis. Some people check their mirrors every 15 seconds. Others do it every 30 seconds. Some people do one thing every 15 seconds. So they'll check the left side mirror. 15 seconds later, they'll check their rear view mirror. 15 seconds later, their right side mirror. All while watching the road in between. And then they'll check their gauges as well. It all depends, but the most important thing is that you should be regularly checking the traffic before you start driving and while you're driving. You should be checking the traffic around your car, and then specifically when you're about to switch lanes or when you are going to be turning, you should take the extra steps of checking the blind spot that you need to check, as well as the mirrors and all of that, everything else as well. And that's it. That is a simple driving lesson on checking traffic around your car. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.